I had an old wood glue-up that has been sitting out in my building for a few years. I had started making something a while back and don't really remember what I had in mind. The wood I am using is hickory. Hickory is a very hard wood and can be very beautiful and very strong, and I think the most comparable to oak as far as the look and strength. When I was growing up, I can remember waking up and going to see what my dad was doing in the basement of our house. Like it was yesterday, I remember walking down the steps and sitting on the last step and watching him work out in his makeshift gym. Always playing on his 8-track was either comedy or Johnny Cash. I grew to love Johnny Cash, and now, 40 years later, if I were to only be able to listen to one more singer the rest of my life, it would be the Man in Black himself. So why am I making this? Well, I am glad that you asked. You see, I have a wall in my office that I am decorating with a guitar theme. I have several guitars hanging on the wall, but it is missing something. I had been thinking a while of buying a photo that I like off Johnny Cash that would look good. One that told a story about John and looked good at the same time. A few days later, I thought about that old piece of wood in my building and that, hell, I could just save my money and make a picture myself, and that would have much more meaning to myself and family. So here I am, utilizing several of my tools and sharing with you my wall art project. Let me know in the comments what you think and who your favorite singer is, and if you like or don't like Johnny Cash. I like making things a lot, but the best part about making a one-of-a-kind item, whether it be a piece of furniture or a cutting board of whatever it may be, if it is of quality and one of a kind, there is a good chance it will outlast you and may become the possession of several that really appreciate having it. I'm going to stop talking and let you enjoy the rest of the video and the final moments in wall hanging. I hope you enjoy and would appreciate likes and comments that you may have. Questions are welcome, and I will answer every comment, I promise you that. If you want to support my channel and future builds, please subscribe and watch some of my other videos. Thanks for tuning in.